welcome to all. See, today question number 51 and note, this is the last question in detail for method of section. That's all. I am going to stop method of section today. Next class onwards, marathon exercises. Small question, easy questions, everything. Problem, answer, or question, answer. But in case if I feel, if any question is extra required, I will upload. See, what I will do is supplementary to all this part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 later, I will add supplementary questions. Okay, start now. See, this time I am writing question here now. Don't see here. Question 51. Find axial forces in the members AC, CE and EF, one group. CD, CF and EF, second group. One more cut here. CD, DF and BF actually. Okay, it is actually misprinted. See, CD, which one first section is here? First is this way, second this way, last one is this way. Okay, so it is CD, where is CD? CD, DF and BF, not BD, BF. There is no member BD here first of all. BD once again already there. BF and BF. By method of sections. As I told in the class, see, this question, little odd type, see here. Usually see, when they give frame, they will give like this, see here. Usually such frames, how they give? This way. But here, slightly lifted. So, good for concept. Sometime rare case, in exam, somewhere, they can give some slight difference here. See here. 3.6, 3.8, 3.7, 4.1, 5.2. This time, since it's the last question, I am going to give inclined loads. See, again learn more. Inclined loads, see here. 60 kN makes angle of 28 degrees with vertical. 30 kN makes angle of 65 degrees with horizontal. Okay. Start. Calculation of support reaction. Usual statement, I will not waste time. Hinge support, vertical, horizontal. Roller support, normal reaction, RB, VB. Now, first write, note. Two inclined forces are there. You write here. So we resolve. See here now. 60 kN makes angle of 28 degrees vertical. But I told already in the class, to avoid confusion, always consider angle with horizontal. See, if this is 28 degrees, this is 62 degrees. So, now, cos sine, here, 30 kilonewton, 65 degrees, sine cos. If anybody will ask, sir, not clear means I will tell, don't continue my class. If the resolution is not clear, you are not fit to do anything from my class. Okay. Now, see, after all this one, draw a neat sketch. See, one note here, note. This is sketch for finding support reaction and also our reference for method of sections. I told repeatedly. Okay, right. Neat entry. Mark the reaction. See 4.1, 5.2. Angles later. Okay, start. Take moment about A. See, what I have done here? These two inclined forces, see, I replaced by components here. So start. Minus VB into this total length, that is 11.1. Y means calculate, 11.1. Then plus 20 into 3.6 plus 25 into 7.4. Y 3.8 plus 3.6 plus 28.168 into 4.1 plus 52.977 into 3.6. See, 27.189 into this distance minus 12.679 into 5.2. equal to 0, you get the value of VB plus will come. Sigma V0, sigma H0. If I explain, some will tell, sir, this is beyond the limit. Now if I explain sigma V, sigma H, there is no point in explaining. Solve this one. Okay, now make a note. Angles are required. See here. Let it be theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, theta 4. See here. Tan theta 1 equal to 4.1 by 3.6. You get the answer. Tan theta 2 equal to 4.1 by 3.8. You get the answer. Tan theta 3 equal to 5.2 by 3.7. You get the answer. But theta 4, see, angle made by this member with horizontal. Be careful here. See, your triangle is here. So, tan, this I am showing calculation. See, tan theta 4 equal to this side. How much that one? That is 5.2 minus 4.1. See, 5.2 minus 4.1 is this height. So, that height divided by 3.8 tan inverse will give theta 4. I got all the angles. Now, it is ready for method of sections. This time also I am doing one thing. See, now you make a note here. I will dictate something. Now we are ready for method of sections. But what he will do right there, but what he will do, as usual, somewhere in a corner, he will solve by method of joints. That is for those who are serious and dedicated. Little work is there. As usual, no explanation. Method of joint, if somebody wants the explanation now, means don't continue my class. Okay. But remember, as usual, directly using calculator. You know I can do it. So somewhere here, I will put a box here, right? Only for those who are serious and want to learn, or for everybody, you better be serious. The result, if you solve by method of joint, how answer will come? Directly using calculator. I will not explain now. See, no explaining. That all over. How I do in calculator also I explained. Even I have not hidden anything. See, I made open secret. But only thing is, you should understand. Okay, start. Now I rub the board. This I will maintain. This I will bring. This only I will bring. Just a minute. Okay. Now, as usual, as I told, for those who are serious, I will give, see, I will always give opportunity for you. If you are serious to learn, I am there. So, I will start. See, nothing, direct entry of answer. At search here, 54.567, 77.229, all in kilonewton, 77, okay. See, I can do fast, provided, what? I want a big sketch here. See, I cannot go there, see the angle here, again come back. That is the problem. So, see, actually the angle is also there. So, I will do one thing now. I will make the angle note. So, just to save the time, see, this is theta 1, this is theta 2, this is theta 3, this is theta 4. So that no confusion for angle for me. Okay, sufficient. Okay, now next, that is 77.229 into cos of 54.567, 44.774, 44.774, 20. Here, 62.24 divided by sine of 48.715, 48.715, 828. 82.828. I'll check once again. 62.24 divided by sine of how much angle? 48.715. Correct. Into cos of 48.715 is 54 plus another 15 plus 15.489. 70.139. 70.139. 70.139. Next joint better for me. Next for me, this joint is better. This joint is better. That is much easier. Okay. 70.139 minus 44.774. Net unbalance I got divided by cos of this side. So this is this way. Guaranteed this way. Divided by cos of theta 2. Where is theta 2? 47.175. 47.175. 37.315. 37.315 is this force. Let me check once again. 70.139 minus 44.774 divided by cos of, what is the angle there? 47.175. 47.175. 37.315. Next. Into sine of angle is 47.175 is 27 down plus another 25 down plus another 25 down up 52.368. This one 52. I am dictating because if it is not visible, 52.368. Slowly I am doing. 368 is this force. Now lastly there. 52.368 down plus 27.189. Two downward forces total 79.557. Then anything else? Yes, one minus 77.229 into sine of theta 3 is 54.567. Whatever I got divided by sine of 16.144. See, this angle is wrong. I first wrote some other angle. See, 14. Calculation mistake. This answer comes to 16.144. Make a note. Okay. The answer is 59.813. How direction? This is down, up. 59.813. This one. 59.813. Now I'll check the horizontal force there. Into cos of 16.144 is 57 point something minus 12.679 minus 77.229 into cos of 54.567 is 0. Yes, perfectly correct. Okay, over. See, if you got confidence, if you know the concept, see what miracle you can do. What I wrote, see there. Tell me what I wrote. Nothing I wrote. I only observed and entered the answer. Confidence is there. You have to imagine, see, every sine, cos, how it will come, how unbalance will come, to balance that one, how the unknown force will come, that all you have to imagine. Okay, now, this is for information. Now I will start here. See, this 5.4 is obstructing me. I will do one thing here. A 5.2. 5 point, how much is? 5.2, no? Yes, correct, 5.2. It is obstructing me. I will put somewhere here at 5.2. Please don't obstruct. This is 5.2. Space problem is there. See? No, some space. This is B. Okay, this is B. B. This is again problem. See? This is writing problem. This is 5.2 meter. Correct, 5.2. This is B. This point is B. sufficient. Sufficient. See. Now, question number 1. This is only information for you. See. Calculation of axial forces. Axial forces. Note it down here. AC, CE and EF. See, you take 3 separate questions. Don't mix up. Now, the space problem is method of sections. Method of sections. Okay. Statement. Consider section XX. Consider section XX cutting above 3 members. Above 3 members. Above 3 members. See here. Which one? See, this is a reference sketch for you. AC, this one, CE, this one, and C. Here, XX. XX. Now, very, very important. Better look right side. See? No. Look left side. Why? Right side, too much complication. See? Left side is better. So, write a statement here. Consider class. I told I will explain in the class. Consider, no space here, equilibrium of pin jointed frame to left of XX. This all I told thousands of times earlier. Okay, now see, correctly. A intact, see here. A intact. Vertical reaction V. V. How much answer? VA is 62.24 kilonewton. 62.24 kilonewton. Horizontal reaction HA, we took right side, negative sign came, so left side. See, left side of HA. Space problem here. HA equal to 15.489. No minus sign now. 15.489 kilonewton. Then A is here. See, E also, this is A. See, this is A. E also intact. See, E also intact. Vertical downward force of how much it is? 20 kilonewton. That's all. Then it will go slightly this side. Then one member comes here and one more member goes this way. See here. This way it goes. Okay, cut. Our section is how? This way section. See here. This way section. So now A, this is E. This is E. One member is there, correct? Yes, no, not there. Okay, now see, start. Outgoing. P for AC. This all explained thousands of times for you. P for EC. See? P for EC. P for EC. Other one is P for EF. See here. Space problem. I put here. P for EF. EF. Okay, now for this member, angle required. How much is angle? Theta 1. 48.715 degrees. 48.715 degrees. Okay. This distance required. How much distance here? 3.6 meter. Okay, this is ready now. This is our section C, cut and write. Now, see where among the three unknowns here, among the three unknowns here, see, this unknown, this unknown, this unknown. Two unknowns are meeting at the point E. So right here, sigma m about E equal to 0. Take clockwise positive. YE, I told in the class, where two unknowns are meeting. Okay, start. Again, see here, this is inclined force. So again I told you, see from here, you require a perpendicular. But no, do leave it. Those who can, I'll tell you once again later, how to get perpendicular. And now, or best option is what? See, this force is passing here. For this force, one horizontal component here, cos, one vertical component here, sine. make a note here. Now you can write very easily, see, moment about E. This vertical component, how much it is? Plus PAC sine 48.715 multiplied by 3.6 and horizontal component into 0. Then plus 62 point, I'll put here now, plus 62.24 into 3.6 equal to 0. Therefore, you get the value of PAC. PAC will come. See, calculate. (62.24) divided by sine 48.715. 82.828. It is minus, see, minus 82.828 kilonewton. Or you can do one thing now. Or those who are more stronger in mathematics, you drop a perpendicular here. Now see, this angle is known. You get the perpendicular h. Sine 48.715 equal to h divided by 3.6. H will come. Then when you take moment, PAC into h, same answer will come. Okay. Then, over. Sigma V is equal to 0. Next is sigma, this is not required now. We put it here. Next, go for sigma V equal to 0. Upward positive. Start. See here. Plus PEC plus PAC, PAC into sine 48.715. This is not there. Plus 62.24 minus 20 equal to 0. By this time, you know the value of PAC. You write here, substitute PAC, whatever you get. Therefore, what happens now? Therefore, you get the value of P, which one? PEC. EC, correct? PEC, okay. You get the value of PEC. How much? Minus 82.828 into sine of this angle 48.715, that minus over plus 62.24 minus 20. 20 minus 20 comes, not minus 20, plus 20. PEC will come plus 20 kilonewton. Plus 20 kilonewton came. Lastly, sigma h equal to 0. Take right side positive. See here. Plus PEF plus PEF. This is not there. Plus PAC plus PAC cos 48.715. Cos 48. If this is not clear, you are wasting your time attending my classes. Then minus 15.489 equal to 0. You know the value of PAC. Substitute. Therefore, you get the value of PEF. PEF will come. How much PEF? 82.828 into cos 48.715. That minus is there into minus 1 minus 15.489 equal to 70.139 plus 70.139 kilonewton. Okay. Now, the last step, that is presentation. See here, presentation. I'll put here now. Therefore, see, lastly, answer, result. See, you don't see there, result. Result. Therefore, axial force in the question they want AC, then axial force, what they want in the question, axial force in, next question is which one? CE, and axial force and it's not, okay, last one, and, okay. and axial force in last member is which one? EF. EF equal to, see, I told thousands of times, by taking the forces going outwards, you are considering axial force to be tensile in nature. So wherever plus comes, without sign, write tension. Wherever minus comes, don't make blunder, write minus and compression. Without sign, write compression. Okay, AC, 82.828. 82.828 kilonewton. See, nature negative came that much. Compression, see, compression. Next one, CE. CE is 20 kilonewton. 20 kilonewton plus came, so tension. Lastly, that is 70.139. 70.139 kilonewton plus came, tension is the answer. This is the final answer for this one. Okay, now check the answer. What check? It will come. 82.828, see, compression, 20 tension, 70.139 tension. Perfectly correct. Okay, now, second question. I'll finish fast now. Calculation of axial forces in members. Which one? CD, CF, and EF. By method of section. Now see, those who are serious should do one thing. You should write the, see, if you want to really learn something, draw one more sketch. Now, this one. Therefore, see here, directly cut here. XX. Cut section XX. Now, equilibrium, look either left side or right side. Any side will do. I think if you look here, I think right side is better, I think. I don't know. I look left side only, okay. I look left side. Not left side. If I look right side, what will happen? If I look right side, okay. I look right side, see. Right side is better. Compared to left side, right is better. Change. Consider equilibrium to right of XX. Your choice. You see whichever side, answer will come same. Right. Okay. Now I'll do one thing. To save the time, I will write and explain. How much I should explain simultaneously? It is already over 1,000 times. Okay, I already explained the sketch for you. See, cut here. Look which side? Consider equilibrium to right side. Oh, which side you looked actually? Oh yes, right side. When you put right side, see, left side, put these forces. See, force for DC, force for FC, force for FE, all over. Okay, take moment about F. Why moment about F? Two unknowns are meeting. See here. If you want, you can do one thing. See here, this force has got a horizontal component cos here and a vertical component sin here for this force. So therefore, see here, when you take moment, minus horizontal component into 5.2, vertical component into 0, this also into 0, minus 12.679 into 5.2, then minus 62.926 into 3.7 equal to 0, you get the value of PDC. Already explained many times, answer will come. Then go for sigma V0 and sigma H0. Now I should not explain that one. I have written everything there. Okay, start. Final answer. So axial force in CD. Where is CD? CD is here, 59.812. I am not explaining much because kilonewton, negative came compression. Axial force in CF is FC, 37.315. 37.315 kilonewton, negative compression. And lastly, 70.139 140. Don't think that I am not explaining nowadays. It is already over thousands of times. See, sigma V, sigma H, you can do it. Now, check the answer. CD, 59.812, okay, 813, 37.315, see, 70.140, 139, 140, okay. Now, last one, third one, closing part of this one. From next class onwards, remember, we are going for exercises now, 3. Axial forces in which member? CD, comma, DF and BF by method of sections. Those who want to sincere, see, you should draw one more sketch. Which member now? See, this member and this member. So, see, cut here, XX. Now surely looking right side is better. See why right side? Because easy side. See, look right side. Then this is intact. This is intact, but this will vanish. See, this will come. Okay, this will come same way, and then this will not come. Oh, sorry. Okay, see, sine cos I will remove. Okay, see here. D is intact. D intact, B intact. Then from B, little distance here, see, up to here. Then here, little distance here. Then here, little distance here. Cut. So the cut, see. Okay. Now forces. This is PDC. PDC. This is PDF. This is PBF. Okay, over. For this one, angle required, I written there. Sine cos not required now. Okay. Now, closing part. Finish it. I'll finish now. I don't want to take break. Let me finish first. 3 point also is not there. See. Now height is only height is there. Okay. Start. Among the 3 unknowns, 2 unknowns are meeting at D. So, sigma m about D equal to 0. Take clockwise positive. Why D? You write. You write the reason. Why I took moment about D. See, when I took moment about D, 0, 0, 0, 0. See, PBF, direct answer. PBF into 5.2, 5.2. That is clockwise. Minus, one distance required here. Okay, this is how much this distance? 3.7, okay. 3.7 minus 62.926 into 3.7 equal to 0. Therefore, you get the value of PBF. PBF will come. That is 62.926 into 3.7 divided by 5.2. 44.774 plus or minus plus 44.774 kilonewton. See, beautifully tallying. See here, how beautifully tallying. Then it will tally. See, sigma V equal to 0. Take upward positive. See here. This is not there. Minus PDF. Minus PDF. Then minus PDC. Minus PDC. Sine 16.144. See. Minus plus 62.926. And minus 27.679 equal to 0. Both are unknown. You call equation number 1. Okay, lastly, sigma H equal to 0. Sigma S 0, take right side positive. Start. Unknown first. Minus PDC. Minus PDC cos 16.144 cos, okay. Cos 16.144 minus this one, minus PBF, and then this one over, minus 12.679 equal to 0. By this time, you know the value of PBF. Therefore, get the value of what? PDC. Get PDC. 44.774, that is plus 12.679 divided by cos of 16.144. 59.812. It is coming minus 59.812 kilonewton. Okay. Next, once you get that one, see, substitute in 1, you get the value of PDF. PDF will come. See, because why? Now PBF is known, equation 1, see. Now you got the value of PDC. Get PDF. Minus 59.811, minus plus 59.812 into sine of 16.144, that is positive, yes, plus 62.926 minus 27.679, 51.878. 51.878. Where is the answer? No, something wrong in calculation. Which one? PDF. 52. No, something wrong. I'll check once again. Minus PBF. Minus 44. Minus 44.774. No. Minus here. Minus P. We want a PDF. So minus PDC is 59.812 minus PDC into sine of 16.144 plus 62.926 minus 27.679, so much 51, divided by how much? Divided by, where is the angle? Divided by nothing. No divide, I think. No divide by 1. 51.878. How 51.878? What is the wrong? Something small mistake. Just a minute. 50, that's perfectly correct. Where is the mistake? I don't know. One minute. PDC is how much? PDC is 59.812 came. 44.774 came here. If I substitute here, minus PDC, minus of PDC of 59.812 into minus 1, 59 point something, this minus over, plus 62.926 minus 27.679 is 95. What is happening? Something is happening here. Just a minute. PDC, E, ABCD. We want this ABCD problem. Equation 1. PDF we want. PDC minus 59.812 into sine of 16.144, that is 15 point something, plus 62.926 minus 27.679 is 51.877. But it is coming 52 point something. Where is the mistake? Where is the mistake? I don't know. Somewhere mistake. 1 minute. I'll check it. I'll check the mistake. No mistake, nothing. See here. 27.189. I wrote 27.679. See, I wrote number from this force and decimal from this force. 27.189. Okay. Now I checked it. It is coming correct. How much? 52.368. I was wondering what is the problem? How it is possible? Okay, now lastly one. axial force in CD, 59.812. See, where is its answer? That is correct. PDC is 52.368. Here this will come how much? 59 point PDF. What is the problem here? First of all, 1 minute. PDC. PDC is correct. How much PDC? 59.813. That is correct. 59.813 kilonewton, correct. And this is PDF is, that is how much? Nature is minus. That is minus. And this is PDF is plus 52 point. Oh, this one mix up. See, 52.368. Okay, now answer. Axial force in CD, 59.813. Okay, 813. Compression. Axial force in next DF. DF is here. 52.368. 52.368 kilonewton. What came? Positive came. Therefore, tension. And lastly, BF. That is, BF is 44.774. See here, 44.774 kilonewton. Once again, tension. Correct? Huh? Compression, tension. Perfectly correct. See, late night. See, the health is not fully improved. I took some wrong number here. See, I took this 27.679 number from here, decimal from here. That's why it happened. Otherwise, such things will not happen. Perfectly tallying. Okay, now for your information, that's all. This is the last question for method of section in detail. From tomorrow, marathon exercises. That is for you to practice. Okay, thank you. Next class we'll meet.